I'm sure I look like me.
Like a chipmunk.
What the heck?
Alright guys, so before this video gets started, I do want to mention that we just dropped some brand new long sleeves on the website. And on the front here, it's a super clean design, Goon Squad simply built. And on the back, you got this epic outdoor design. You got mountains, you got sunshine, you got trees, you got everything. And this is a super unique shirt, and we really don't have much of them. So if you want to copy one and help support your boys, be sure to visit goonzquad.com. But as of right now, let's get to the video. What is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are here at the original Goon Squad garage, and today we're going to continue working on our 2020 Audi R8 Decennium. And as you guys seen in the previous video, we knocked out some pretty major body work on this hood right here, and we're almost done with all of our body work. All we really got left is a little bit of body work on that quarter panel, which we showed you guys. That's just gonna take a couple minutes, and then we'll be ready to wet sand the whole entire car, all the parts that need to be wet sanded here, because we're actually not taking the car to the paint booth. We're just gonna paint the parts individually, so it should go by a lot faster this way, but also there's still a good bit of work on our hands, just wet sanding alone, dude.
I mean, this is practically half the car that we're going to be painting, but it's just going to be in panels, which we don't have to do no type of taping or anything like that, so it should be a better paint job at the end as well, dude.
Exactly, dude. I can't wait to have this sucker all one color, which that's going to be here really soon. And also, you guys seen previously where we did a little bit of work to the TRX, so we might even do a little bit in this video and some shop stuff, so you don't know when this stuff is going to come at you. So we're going to throw some curveballs, some surprises at you. And also, another surprise is I've probably got to take off here in a couple hours to get my wisdom teeth popped out, dude.
Dude, man, I'm gonna definitely record you after, dude. See what you say.
I'm gonna hide a camera and I'm gonna record them popping my teeth out.
I wish they would let us record. That'd be pretty awesome, dude.
But I'd probably say some crazy stuff, so maybe we shouldn't record that, dude.
Oh, you're gonna be knocked out, dude.
No, I'm saying afterwards,
Oh,
you know, when I'm still a little bit woozy here and there, dude. But I don't know, we'll see how that goes, but you know what? Let's just focus on this R8 for now. Let's just do what we can and hopefully prepare this sucker for the paint booth. Alrighty guys, so it is officially time. We got a little bit of that R8 sanded. We actually finished up the body work, and then we started wet sanding that quarter panel, got that knocked out. And then time just absolutely flew, and now we are here about to get these suckers just completely yanked out. What do you think they're gonna do? Just pliers? How they do it to you?
I don't remember, man. I was under, but you know what? I heard it's pretty quick, so you're gonna be in there, in and out. So
they gave me a little fancy treatment here. So it's gonna partially bony. Two of my teeth are partially bony. Then I got surgical erupted. I don't know what that means right there, but we're gonna do the LPRF membrane. They're gonna take my white blood cells, and to kind of reduce the swelling and I guess the bleeding, they're gonna
and help reduce what do you call that when it's dry socket? Yeah,
dry sockets. Yeah,
you don't want that. That'll mess you up.
Dry sockets. So I guess
I think you're ready, man.
I am ready. We're gonna go in here, and are you guys just gonna wait inside?
Yeah, I think you have to wait in there.
Look who's right there. That's our sister. That's my sister. That's our sister right there. And she's gonna be with us.
So I guess second floor, right?
We go up here. So we're gonna go up and
right.
a little bit nervous. Not psych. No.
You'll be all right.
Yeah, I think we'll be all right. So let's just go up, and I guess we'll catch you guys when I have 4 less teeth.
Are you good?
Hang tight.
It looks like a chipmunk.
Alright, go to the stand. Lift your legs.
Come on, boy.
Alright, here it is. Your phone and all that jazz. You guys can go home. Take it easy today, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, take care.
No. Are you good?
I'm good, man. It's just like, I'm sure I look like me.
You look like a chipmunk.
What the hell? What did you do to me?
Put your seatbelt on. Let's go.
You ready for a burger?
I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry.
You can't eat.
Why not? Once I eat, still, I'm gonna eat.
Honestly, I'm not.
I guess we'll stop by, grab some soup for you, and then head back to the house. So
Fancy.
fancy. All you can eat is through a straw for right now.
What's up, fancy?
Y'all want to go to St. John?
When you got the afternoon. I probably won't be able to eat for what, 2 hours?
No, you can't eat for a couple hours.
That's not good. I wonder if I can drink something. A smoothie. A smoothie.
We'll get
Smoothie? Yeah.
we'll get you some hot soup or something.
Yeah, let's do that.
Alrighty guys, so we made it back to the house and we jumped onto the R8 and we started wet sanding this thing. First off, we started with the door over here and we got this thing completely sanded and it looks perfect, nice and matte finish right there, ready for some paint. And we even jumped onto the hood over here, starting off with all the primed areas, got that sanded down, got the lines all nice and straight. Then we ended up just sanding the entire hood. And I mean, that took a good bit of time because that hood is massive and we're trying to make everything as perfect as possible. And the next step is to basically take this hood off and sand the inside of the hood as well as the inside of the door, because this is gonna have to get all painted 100 or 360 degrees. So we're probably gonna hang this up in the paint booth and paint it all at once. Same thing with the door over here. That way we're not running to the paint booth like 3 or 4 times. So that's probably gonna be the next biggest step. And then all we're gonna have left is basically this front bumper over here. And I don't know about the rear bumper just yet because we still haven't got to that sucker. That sucker's just sitting there. And also we do have little quarter panel extensions that we got from the dealer that go right here, and that's where that carbon fiber vent is gonna get attached to. We still gotta sand those, but those suckers are already primered from the dealership. But I think that's pretty much it for tonight. I mean, how are you feeling right now? Feeling good? Mm-hmm. Feeling good? Taking your pain medications and all that stuff? No pain medications? Just what? No medications at all? That's crazy, man. So whatever you gotta do, man. But anyways, I guess we're gonna continue tomorrow in the morning. guys, so it's actually the next day here, and we ended up preparing this whole entire Audi R8 for the paint booth. We ended up sanding the bottom side of the hood, the whole entire front bumper right there, and we even sanded the inside of the door. Then after that, we went ahead and looked at that rear bumper, and we got some good news. So let's just go ahead and hop inside and show you guys what's going on there. We thought it was pretty bad because of the diffuser, but honestly, this stuff right here just basically, I think, pops off right here. So these are separate pieces, and this part of the diffuser right here is just like one separate section. We were looking super close to it, and it looks like that protective film protected a lot of it, although it got some scratches, but we can still save that sucker unless we want to find a carbon fiber one, which we did, but it's like $5 grand, dude.
Yeah, it's like super expensive. This part right here doesn't come off. It's actually part of the bumper. Just these little pieces right here. Look at that, man. So you can easily repaint these. They just have a few scratches, but the bumper itself, dude, almost got hit right here, but it didn't even make it through the clear coat. That film protection.
That is awesome right there. So basically what we got to do is just unwrap this protective film right here and rewrap it, and we won't have to throw any paint over there. We'll just have to focus on this bottom section right here. And you can buy these in carbon fiber right here. I remember can you pop this section off? Oh, that
just popped it. Yeah, just go ahead and pop this one off.
So this one right here and that one over there, you could buy these from the factory carbon fiber, but I feel like those are going to be super expensive, and they're probably still going to get burnt by the turbo flames anyway. So
because we want to shoot flames out of this thing, so we'll probably just use these, and later on, if down the road, if we find like some other custom carbon shop, we can pop those on anytime.
Exactly, but we are still looking for a carbon fiber front lip. We found one, but I think it's going to be like 2 to 3 weeks or something like that. Yeah. So we definitely got to move pretty quick because we really don't got too much left on this R8 right here before it is 100% complete. So we're ordering stuff left and right. We haven't even found an axle shaft because those suckers are rare, dude.
Yeah, super rare. And I believe if we go to the dealership, it's going to come all the way from Germany, which takes a couple weeks. But you know what? I guess, too. Yeah, it's expensive, like $2 grand or something like that.
That's insane for an axle shaft. But you know what? Those are like pretty common to break here and there because a lot of people are boosting the R8s and the Huracans, which they have the same axle shafts, and they break them all the time.
And we are looking for some upgraded ones, which I think we found for like $2,000, but I think you got to ship your old ones off, so we'll figure something out.
Yeah, I think we might just end up going with the dealership route just to make that process the fastest. But as of right now, what are we going to do? Is that going to be it for today's video, dude?
I was thinking about doing the TRX, at least trying to paint some of that stuff, but we're just running out of time, and like we still got to do a bunch of sanding, and also we can't forget there's a huge wiring harness underneath the bed that we have to replace.
Yeah, we got to pop off that whole entire bed. So I think we're just going to save that for the next video. And honestly, I still want to recover a little bit because this is the next day here. And honestly, I'm not even swollen, which is a good thing. I think the trick is to drink pineapple juice. I seen that on TikTok, and I think it worked, dude.
Yeah, I did the exact same thing, and I think it helped me a lot too. And I wasn't like as in pain as some people tell me about. You know what I mean?
That's crazy. Yeah, no, the pain is not too bad. It's only when you drink water, and if you got to make sure not to eat nothing but squash, like squashed up stuff. You know what I mean? But anyways, that's gonna be pretty much it for today's video. Definitely make sure post notifications are on so you don't miss out on anything. And also, if you want an inside scoop before YouTube, definitely give us a follow on Instagram at goonzquad. But with all that being said, thank you guys so much for all the love and support. Be sure to drop your comments and thoughts down below. We'll catch you guys next time. Peace.